All right, so for today's lesson, we are going to make a pattern turtle. So the first step that we're going to do is draw our turtle. And that's going to start with a big oval in the middle of our page. An oval's like a circle that's kind of been smushed either this way or this way. We want ours to be smushed in like this, so it's skinnier here and longer here. Then we're going to add a head, and we're going to add, well, if we want, let's do a sea turtle. Sea turtle has arms that kind of go back like this, like flippers. They might just go right off the page, like that. And then the legs are also kind of like flippers, but they're a little bit shorter. And then a little tail, little triangle tail. All right, now we're going to do another oval within this oval. And this is going to be our shell. And we're going to divide our shell with a curved line going like this, almost like a baseball. And then it's going to go like this, or oh, it's going to actually look like a basketball. So it's kind of going to look like a basketball. Do you guys see that? So within every one of these sections, we're going to do a different pattern. Let's put our eyes here. Maybe we want it to come more to a point like that. Okay, so once you get this far, if you have a black marker or black crayon or black colored pencil, outline everything. All right, maybe we'll do like this. I kind of like the eyes going like that better. Once you outline it, and if you're using marker, you can erase any pencil that you see after you do the marker. If you're doing colored pencil or crayon, don't go back and try and erase the pencil because it might smear or erase what you have. So just try your best to outline it as close to the pencil as you can. But since I'm doing mine in marker, I can always go back with an eraser and just erase right over. So all I see are my marker marks, not my pencil marks. All right. Okay, now we're going to be adding a pattern inside the shell. Now, a pattern is a picture that repeats. I'm going to do mine in marker, but you can do yours in pencil first if you want. So it's any picture that you draw that it repeats. So like an easy one would be stripes. So up and down stripes you can do, or side to side stripes, or a combination of up and down to side. All right. Another easy pattern to do would be polka dots or circles. Another easy pattern would be spirals in a row, right? What else could we do? Ooh, zigzag stripes. Zigzag. 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 Just see the top of the zigzag. Maybe over here we do wavy, which is kind of like zigzag, but it's rounded instead of sharp triangle points. Okay, what about just doing triangles? So if I were to just do one triangle, it wouldn't be a pattern because that doesn't repeat. You have to fill that little section with triangles. You could do smiley faces. Anything that repeats is a pattern. You could do pizza pattern. You could do cupcake pattern. Anything can be a pattern if you repeat it. Hearts, stars. Let's do a heart one. And for my last one, maybe we'll do, ooh, diagonal lines. Those are lines that go at an angle. All right, so once you've done your patterns, you can color in your turtle however you want, with whatever you want. So if you want to color it in with marker, color it in with marker. If you want to color it in with colored pencil, color it in with colored pencil. You can color inside your patterns, but remember to try and keep it the same. So instead of coloring each one of these a different color, I would color maybe inside them all one color, and on the outside I could pick a different color to color it in. So it still looks like a repeating pattern. So then you can color in the arms and legs, whatever you want. If you want to do those in patterns, you can do those in patterns. If you want to just color them solidly in, you could do that as well. And then go ahead and color in the background with your water. And maybe there's like seaweed or fish in the water. Maybe you could put something floating by. It's up to you, but try and fill your whole page with color. All right, so I have finished coloring. I did all different colors for the patterns. I added a little square pattern onto the fins, and then I did little wave lines in marker and colored in the rest of the background with water. Have fun, and you can make yours as colorful as you want. It doesn't need to be realistic like I did, greens and blues, but you could do a rainbow turtle if you wanted. So have fun and make sure to post your pictures.